Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3, and we are learning unit 7. Its title is Student of the Year. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and comprehension of this unit, and we'll cover before this in English for grade 2. I have already taught you how to identify text by looking at pictures. So today we are going to learn further to skim through common graphical features such as pictures and tables in text to increase understanding. This is our today's SLO. So what this SLO is basically telling us that pictures, tables, any graphical features, there is a purpose in the text. All right. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah As-Saf verse 4, truly Allah loves those who fight in his cause in battle array as if they were a solid cemented structure. Allahu Akbar. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. This beautiful verse is encouraging us among Muslim unity and discipline. Even in the battlefield, if you are arranged yourself properly, you will be just like a cemented structure. This is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us. So beta, discipline is very important in a Muslim's life, no matter wherever you are. Even in battlefield, we should follow the discipline. This will help us and this will give us strength, right? So let's start our today's lesson. First, you tell me, look at the title and pictures and predict the lesson. And do you have the qualities of a good student? Yes, of course. So what qualities do you have? Pause the video, tell to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could predict. It's a picture of a school gate and it's a picture of a student, and the title is Student of the Year. So most likely this is the picture of Student of the Year, and all the good qualities you have mentioned to your teacher. Alhamdulillah. So let's start reading. First I'll read it. I'll try to explain it to you. You listen carefully because after me you have to read it. All right. Ahmed is in class 3. He is 8 years old. He is a very hardworking and intelligent student. He won the golden trophy at school. Ahmed was found to be the best observer of school safety rules. And what does safety mean? Security cure. So what is the quality, best quality of Ahmed? He was the best observer, means the best follower of school safety rules, right? Once his classmates went to the computer section without the permission of the computer in charge. Ahmed informed the in charge because he did not want anything wrong happening to them. The in charge had ordered all the students not to visit the computer section in his absence. He also told them not to open their lunch boxes in the computer section. Drinks are also not allowed on computer desks. Yes, my dear students, so far what we have learned, like Ahmad himself did not say his fellows not to go there and don't do it. He talked to the concerned person, and the concerned person passed on the instructions. So whenever there is a situation, you see this is not according to the discipline, talk to the concerned person, and that person can pass on the instructions to keep the things in discipline, right? During break time, Ahmed goes to the canteen with his friends. All of them make a queue, means they make a line to buy drinks from the canteen. In the playground, Ahmed and his friends play fairly. They wait for their turn while taking slides. They do not push, fight, or beat each other. Yes, my dear student. Do you see fight? Yesterday I taught you this is a word containing digraph. Remember? A trigraph. Sorry, it's a trigraph. So, my dear students, what we are learning that to play fairly is also part of discipline. You should wait for your turn. If a naughty student hurts them, they inform their sports teacher. They don't start fighting with that person, with that student. They talk to teacher. On sports day, one of his class fellows fell on the ground. Ahmed and his friends helped to take him to the emergency room. There, the school nurse cleaned the blood from his wound and did the dressing. Yes, my dear students, here, now you see this is a crisis situation. On sports day, one of the students got hurt, means got injured. Now, at that time, instead of finding who did this, why happened, instead of wasting time in such type of things, what should you do? Quickly take that person to emergency room, to the clinic, to the doctor, so that the person can be treated on time, right? Okay. Ahmed never rushes out of the classroom when he leaves the school. He has seen the children falling and getting hurt during rush hours. Do you understand? But when there is rush, you should go slow instead of running, because running can cause you falling and getting hurt. His mother had advised him not to talk to any stranger. And who a stranger is? Any unknown person whom you don't know, that person is a stranger for you. So, you should not talk to strangers. If the school van is late, means you are waiting for your van or you are waiting for your driver, you should not talk to strangers. If anyone near the school gate tries to give him sweets, he should refuse. He must inform an elder or the gatekeeper about that. What is the first rule? If some strangers tries to give you anything, sweets or any chocolates or any gift, you should refuse. You should not get it. And secondly, inform the elder that this person is trying to give me something, so the elder will help you. If the gatekeeper is not standing there, he should get inside the school and tell the teacher. Because better the stranger is elder than you, that's why instead of dealing with that person, you should inform elder person, gatekeeper or teacher, any attendant who is available there, the representative of school. All right. So this is, I'm stopping my reading here. Now look at the text and look at the pictures connected with that, and first you will read the text and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? So it's a time for activity. Now, as you have read the text, now we have read for understanding. We have learned all the concept of the text. So you will read the text again by skimming. let me tell you what is skimming. Because skimming is a quick go through, like you just read for reading, because now we have already understand the text, so we need not to stop on different points. We just keep on reading quickly, the way we read a newspaper or the way we read a story. That is called skimming. So by skimming, all of you will do your individual reading, and then you will be asked by your teacher to find countable and uncountable nouns from the paragraphs of the lesson you have read in the class. Okay, so pause the video, complete this skimming activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? All of you have done it. Good job. So it's time to answer these questions. Once again, you will answer these questions orally to your teacher, and then you will write the answers in your notebook, and pause the video, complete this task in your notebooks, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write the sentences by using these words in your notebooks. Okay, so I'm giving you a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you will read these two paragraphs by skimming technique, and you will answer these questions. So you will write the answers over here. So what we have learned today, we learned to skim through common graphical features such as pictures and tables in text to increase understanding. And we achieved our SLO to skim through common graphical features such as pictures and tables in text to increase understanding. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. We'll complete reading and comprehension of this unit. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.